As I travel to this pilgrim, then there is a friend who walks with me. Let me step into the singing, and it is the Christ of Calvary. This will be my prayer, the Lord gives me to help me do the best I can. For I need the light to guide me day and night. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Yes, I need this every hour. Through this land, this pilgrim land, guide me by thy saving power. Hear my faith, my feet be blessed. Lord, dear Lord, look down on me. When I kneel in prayer, blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Let me travel in the light divine, that I may see the blessed way. Give me that I may be holy, can I sing redemption song someday. I will be a soldier brave and true, and every friendly day can stand. As I onward go and daddy meet the flock, blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Yes, I need this every hour. Through this land, this pilgrim land, guide me by thy saving power. Hear my praise, my feet be blessed. Lord, dear Lord, look down on me. When I need in prayer, blessed Jesus, hold my hand. When I wander through the valley, tend toward the setting of the sun, let me step into a land of rest, if I have crown of life have won. I have put my faith in thee, dear Lord, that I may reach the golden stands. There's no other friend on whom I can depend. Blessed Jesus, hold my